दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। In the wake of large-scale defalcation of public funds, fraudulent transactions and fabrication of accounts in Animal Husbandry Department of State of Bihar, popularly known as fodder scam, Central Bureau of Investigation had been ordered by this court to investigate corruption in public administration, misconduct by the bureaucracy, fabrication of official records, misappropriation of public funds by an independent agency. This court directed CBI to do investigation and inform the Chief Justice of Patna High Court on the reorganization of the state of Bihar by virtue of Bihar Reorganization Act 2000. States of Bihar and Jharkhand were formed. Question arose with respect to the place of trial of cases, that is, whether in state of Bihar or state of Jharkhand. A full bench of High Court of Patna took the view that none of the 36 cases which were of Jharkhand to be transferred to Jharkhand. CBI preferred appeals before this court as well as Dr. R.K. Rana. Total 64 cases had been registered relating to Bihar fodder scam. 52 cases involved withdrawal of huge sums of money from government treasuries falling within Jharkhand state, and in 36 out of 52 cases, charge sheet had been filed by CBI before the appointed date. This court opined that the only court which has the jurisdiction to try offences under Prevention of Corruption Act is the Court of Special Judge appointed for areas within which such offences were committed. Subsequently, prayer was made for amalgamation of 6 cases which were pending before special courts in the state of Jharkhand. Matter was considered by this court with respect to joint trial of cases which were pending before the special judge at Patna. This court considered the matter in Lalu Prasad Yadav versus State through CBI. It was urged on behalf of Lalu Prasad Yadav that it was a case of only a single conspiracy and therefore there should be amalgamation of trials as per the provisions contained in section 223 CRPC. This court opined that charges were not framed at that stage. It is for trial court to decide the prayer for joint trial. There were large number of accused persons. It was also observed that main offence was under the PC Act and conspiracy was an allied offence. This court had noted the grievance that accused persons would be forced to hear the same evidence 6 times, but ordered that they may apply to the special judges that evidence recorded in one case and the document marked as an exhibit in one case be used as evidence in other cases also. It was submitted on behalf of CBI that though the same learned judge of the High Court has quashed the proceedings in the aforesaid cases with respect to Lalu Prasad Yadav owing to his conviction in one of the cases, however, with respect to accused Dr. R.K. Rana, the same judge has declined to quash the criminal prosecution in pending 6 other cases owing to his conviction. prayer for quashing of criminal prosecution had been declined, but the same very cases have been quashed by taking a contrary view in the impugned judgment and order. It was submitted by Shri Ranjit Kumar, learned Solicitor General appearing for CBI, that as the offences relate to different treasuries for different financial years for different amounts running into several crores, with the help of different fake allotment letters, supply orders, different falsification of books of accounts, different suppliers, Article 22 of Constitution of India is not attracted as the offences cannot be said to be the same. Similarly, the provisions of section 300 CRPC are not attracted. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने अच्छे से लिखा होगा। इसमें 2-3 वर्ड्स ऐसे नए आए हैं तो उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने उन्हें अच्छे से कर लिया होगा मैनेज। आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताइएगा आपकी मिस्टेक्स कितनी आई हैं। 120 वाली डिक्टेशन ऑलरेडी अपलोड की जा चुकी है। अगर आप उसे लिखना चाहते हैं तो आपको वो कोर्स ऑप्ट करना होगा, इट टोटली ऑप्शनल। तो आपसे अब मैं मुलाकात करूँगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।